Okay, here is a quick overview of the PcTokyo control panel. It's built in Joomla, which is a content management system, and with Joomla you can extend the website to do pretty much anything you want, but so besides having a shopping system, you can add articles, add menus and submenus and so on, languages, you have a user manager. There are many things you can do with it that I can go over at another time, but let's take a look at the shopping component, which is called Virtuemart, and this one has a lot of settings as well that you don't have to really care about, but you can do a lot of things with it. So this is the configuration here, and if you take a look at what I do most of the time, it's just update the products and edit the products. That's pretty much it, because everything else is set up once and I don't have to touch the other stuff. So if we go to products here, we have categories. So what the categories I have are desktops, and under desktops, nested is custom desktops, Dell desktops, and so on. And in each category, of course, you have products. So if you list the products, and here we can select, for example, in under desktops, here are the desktops that we have. Some are published, some are not published, and so if you take a look at this one here, for example, that's something that's on special now. Here's how to edit the product. Well, you have the name, the price, 5% tax, and here's a short description. I like to do the HTML by hand, so I keep the HTML editor off, but if you rather have an HTML editor, you can have it turned on. So here's the short description of the product. Here's the product description, where basically it's a table. If you look at the front end, it looks like this right here. We have the details tab, and here's a table with some short facts about the product. That's the HTML for that. And I put this product in the category desktops, custom desktops, and in a category that I call specials. That's on right now. So that's that. Display options I normally don't touch. Product status, here you can set a lot of variables for the product. So, well, in stock and so on. I don't keep I don't care about the stock, because I keep nothing in stock. So this I don't care about. The availability days I don't care about. Shipping time, well, this one ships in 3 to 5 days, so I choose that. You can select, for example, 48 hours. It will look like this on the site. If you look here on the front of the site, this one says 3 to 5 days. So we set that back to 3 to 5 days. Then here's the attribute list, and that's here what you see under the order tab. Attributes like operating system, motherboard, processor, and so on. And what it does here is, for example, now if you select Windows 7 Home Premium, it will add 16,800 yen to the price. So you see the price is changing up here, right, in real time. And the way to edit that is simply by putting new properties here. For example, if I put a new property called test here and add the price 100,000 for that, click apply, refresh this page. So now here in the bottom here you have test 100,000 plus tax 105,000, and that's added, instantly added, and added to the total price as well. So that's how that works. Let's remove that. And And if you wanted to add a new property, a new attribute instead, that will be added in the bottom here. Let's say something 2 plus 5,000. Click apply, and that will be a new select box here in the bottom here. So here you have that, like that. So that's pretty straightforward and nothing difficult. Then here you can add the dimensions and weight. All I use is the weight, because the weight determines the shipping cost. So I put 10 kilos for desktops and 2 kilos, or I think 3 kilos for laptops. I can show you that in a moment. And product images, very simple. Upload a file and it will auto create a thumbnail. And then you can have related products and so on if you like. I don't care about that. So what else? Here on the left side we have well, you can see the orders. I can list all the orders. And for example, we're going to take a look at this order here. Here we have the details of the order, what he ordered, how much it cost, and all that. So the database for all the orders. And if you list orders again here, you can also change the status of the order. You can, by checking this one here, you will automatically send an email to the customer when, for example, it's suppose the computer is shipped. Then you just do select shipped here and notify customer, update status, and that would send an email to the customer as well. Do a print view. This is pretty much like a receipt, right? What else can we do? Shipping, like I said before, shipping rates. So I have up to 5 kilos, up to 1 kilo, that's more for software, up to 20 kilos, and up to 100 kilos for orders with, say, 5 computers and so on. So 21 kilos to 100 kilos, and that will automatically calculate that. So then I said that, for example, for this one, well, that will cost 8,000 yen for shipping if it's more than 21 kilos. You can have a coupon system where you can add coupons by percent or by total price, and well, there are a lot of things that you can do with this shopping system, but that's just a quick overview. Okay, that's pretty much it for now.